Okay. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about another real life example of coherence. Till now in the previous video we saw an example, an application of coherence in computer graphics known as epipolar geometry. Today we are going to talk about what is topological coherence. So let us start our video today. Yeah, you can see here this is a painting of collage of a beautiful butterfly sitting on a flower. So let us first understand with the help of this collage painting what is meant by topological coherence. Coherence, what did we mean by coherence? Coherence means that the whole image have a particular relation or follows a particular type of restriction, and all the elements of this image follow that restriction. And by topological means area or space. Here in this picture, the butterfly and this flower as a whole is two different type of elements in the collage, and the collage is made by papers, or you can say small paper bits, and stuck on this image to make it look like a butterfly and flower, right? So when I say that this whole space is made up of butterfly and a flower, this whole painting space is made up of the butterfly and the flower, and what is the subspace of this image? You can see the subspace for a butterfly is its wings, its own body. For this flower, this central part of flower, petals of flower, this stem of flower. But there is, if I want to look at, suppose for example I'm looking at the element of butterfly, and that too of the wings of butterfly. And how do I know that the butterfly's wings is separate from butterfly's body? It is because the small paper stuck on butterfly wing is of different color from butterfly's body. You might have experience while coloring, and if you don't know how to make a realistic painting, then you might have colored the, say, the wings of a butterfly with the same color, and because the two color is just side by side, then it's very difficult to separate what is the butterflies of the, and it might have been very difficult to separate one wing of butterfly from the other if there is no difference in the color. So our eyes think of one space is different from other according to some certain property. For example, here the property is that this space of this subspace of butterfly's wings is made up of more smaller subspaces of different shades of blue colors pieces of paper stuck on the wings. So this subspace and this small pieces of paper are related by the property color, blue color of the wings of butterfly. And here the subspace of body is made up of different small papers of color black. So the property which makes this butterfly's wing and butterfly body different is on the basis of the small subspace color property. Similar fashion, in the similar way, the distinction between different parts of flower is also made on the basis of color of the paper stuck. So let us move on to another example. So this is the example of the map of India, and the map of India is the whole space we are looking at, and different small lines are made with the name of different states. So all the different states are subspaces of this whole space India. And how are the states made? The states can be separated according the state bound according to states are separate subspace of India according to the area of space it takes, according the property of area of the land of any state, or you can say on the basis of culture, or on the basis of what language we speak, or the what language the people speak on that land. These three properties make each subspace different from one another, yet they are the part of the whole space India, because they belong all the country people belong to one country India. In joke. So this is also an example of topological coherence, that they all follow, that they are divided inside a bigger space. They are divided on a, okay, inside they are divided. They are like Rajasthan is separated from Uttar Pradesh according to the language what people speak there, according to the whole area of the state, and according to the culture of the people. But they are but they too have differences according to certain property. But this whole space is united because people of Rajasthan and people of Uttar Pradesh are on a whole the citizen of country India. So this whole space is divided according to some certain properties, but the whole but different subspaces are united according to one bigger property with the whole space. This is known as the topological coherence. That all the people or different state of people of India are united on the that they are united on the basis of that they are the citizen of one country India. Another So how this topological coherence can help us in computer graphics? I am giving you another simple example, but this example is not directly related to computer graphics, but it on a small, or you can say on a simple day-to-day life language. It is a simpler type of example how topological coherence can be used in an image. This is the video of area calculation don't measure part 2 from the uh, NPTEL's course Joy of Computing, offered by IIT Ropar. Here in this example, we are trying to estimate the area of Punjab, provided that we don't know the area of Punjab, but we have the prior information that we know the overall area of whole country India. But we are trying to measure this area without measuring with scale, or without referring some, for example, some other survey data. We are measuring according to how many dots is falling on the land of Punjab, compared to the dots fallen on the country India. If we put dots randomly on this whole India country map. So, so we will estimate how the area of India how the area of Punjab be estimated with the one information of the area of India. So first of all, she tried to put 18 dots on the whole map, very less dots to estimate. So she counted the total number of dots and then counted the number of dots on India, the number of dots in the area of Punjab by number of dots in whole India is equal to area of Punjab by area of India. Yes, and it came out to be, which is, this is the area of Punjab, and the area is coming too large by this estimation. So if we increase the number of dots used, then this method will work to give a good estimate. Okay? In the later video, she made more than 18 dots and now calculated dots falling in Punjab and dots falling in India came out to be 8 by 502 into the real area of India. Gave us a very near about answer, right? 52 lesser error compared to the last time with few number of dots. So yes, this is the way we can think of like these dots are just we can think of like these dots put it on the country India is like pixels and we can estimate how much area is with the help of an image using computer graphics. From that's all from my side today, and tomorrow we are going to start with another topic of computer graphics will be algorithms for finding the visible surface detection. So that's all from today from my side. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you love this video, then please hit subscribe our channel for more such videos. Bye bye and take care and be happy and healthy.